Welcome to 20 Car. Imagine a whisper of wind sculpting itself into metal. The 2025 Tesla Model W concept embodies this ethereal vision. From its aerodynamic silhouette to its hypnotic LED accents, this car is less a vehicle and more a rolling art piece. Its exterior, a futuristic blend of sleek curves and bold angles, feels alive under the light, reflecting Tesla's knack for boundary-pushing design. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that could double as a spaceship command center. The dashboard features a revolutionary curved OLED display, seamlessly integrated with AI-driven controls that adapt to your habits. Plush vegan leather seats, paired with customizable ambient lighting, create a cocoon of luxury. It's a cabin where technology meets soul. Underneath, the Model W is powered by a cutting-edge tri-motor electric system, delivering a staggering 1,200 horsepower. This beast rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers height in an eye-watering 1.9 seconds. Competitors like the Porsche Taycan Turbo S and the Lucid Air Sapphire stand in its shadow, striving to match its elegance and might. Priced at a jaw-dropping $190,000, the Model W is not for the faint of wallet. Ownership costs lean high, with insurance premiums and maintenance aligning with its premium stature. Yet, the driving experience, smooth, silent, and thrilling, offers value beyond measure. A few downsides? Limited cargo space and the absence of a physical key might irk traditionalists. Tesla's Model W concept is not just a car, it's a glimpse into tomorrow's dreams. Take the wheel and be part of this electric revolution.